Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways of doing animated emotes if you're just became affiliate. So let's jump into it. So here's the first one. This is the first animated emote I've done before I think affiliated, which is the drawing myself as like doing a wave, and just go high like that. And on the left and on the right. All you do is go here, export as, type in anything you want. I'll just put wave. Export it. Make sure it says GIF for GIF, because you're going to need that. Export it. Done. That's your first animated emote. Right, here's your second one. We'll go to animator.net. Now what you do here is get any image you want. Get my logo coin, which is called sub badge, and go to animate image. Now what you can do from here is select any one of these and the transfer to here. So you can have it like this, or my favourite one, this, so it flips around, and then go to generate animation, and that's all you do, and now it's done. So my third one, go to easygif.com. Choose your video format. I'm going to put this one. Upload it here. And the first thing you want to do, crop video.
Whoa!
Just crop it here.
Oh,
go down here, click square.
What the hell?
Because that's the size you need.
Trophy. Whoa!
Pick the part you want.
Oh, what the hell?
Crop video.
Trophy. Whoa!
Now you need to go to video to GIF. And you want it less than 9 seconds. So we're going to pick part we want.
Whoa!
There's me going wall. So we click there.
Whoa!
You click there. And convert. Now what we want to do is resize. You can see it says 138, 138. And we want 1112, 1112. Resize this image. And it's all done. And then save it. And that is 3 ways to make your animated emotes. Thank you for watching. Hold on a second, there's one bonus thing that I forgot to talk about. I'll show you what to do. So, all you need to do is go to your dashboard, go to your dashboard, go to your viewers board, go to emotes, go to new upload, animated emotes, go to click on easy animated emotes, upload a single picture. Let's pick this one as a random pick. Choose your animation and shake. And now, put whatever you like. And it's all done. So, that's my tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye.